guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megha. Today's video is very special to me. I am going to be making not one, not two, but 5 types of coffee today. And because we have hit summers, they are all cold coffees. In 5 coffees में से मैंने एक vegan option भी रखा है, which is basically non-dairy option. And another one is sort of a dessert. I think you're gonna really enjoy this video. Watch it till the end to find out all the types of coffee that I am making today. One of my most viewed videos मेरे channel पे coffee की ये है. I'm going to link it up. I did this video in which I'm making cafe style cappuccino espresso at home using my MORPHY Riches coffee maker. It is a brilliant coffee maker. I'm going to be using that today as well. उस वीडियो में ऐसे बहुत comments थे जिसमें people were asking me कि आप इसमें cold coffee कैसे बना सकते हो. So I just thought that I should do a video in which I'm going to be telling you all how I use that espresso cappuccino maker for a cold coffee. It's going to be super informative. It's going to be super useful. So yeah, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new here. वो पूरा coffee maker का working मैंने बहुत अच्छे से explain करा है उस video में. So I really urge you all to watch that video. The coffee that I use in that maker is the CCD Perfect. This is the perfect roasted ground coffee which is smooth and strong yet balanced. I love this version of CCD coffee. ये मेरा favorite है. This is for only 120 rupees और ये कोई भी cafe coffee day outlet पे आप ले सकते हो. तो ये coffee मैं आज use करूँगी. This is a shot glass which I'm going to be using today to actually measure my espresso shot. I think this is 60 ml. तो ये sort of double shot espresso glass है. Now of course if you don't like strong coffee आप single shot में बना सकते हो, but it's just my preference. I prefer double shot and I'm going to use this. Please watch the above linked video to see how I have actually taken out the espresso out of that coffee maker. Okay, now I'm not gonna bore you. Let's just jump right into the video. guys, that was it for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video और काफी मन करा होगा ये बनाने का. I was super tempted to make this video. And yeah, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, also click on the bell icon. Comment down below कि कौन सा version आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा. And yeah, keep binging my channel. Bye.